What's up, guys? Welcome back to another at-home exercise. Today we are going to do a Tabata workout. Again, I've shown you guys this before in case you forgot. Tabata is basically 30 seconds of an exercise and then we rest for 10 seconds. So this is going to be an advanced Tabata workout, and what I want you guys to know is that technically each round is supposed to be 4 rounds. So for the first section we do jumping jacks with mountain climbers. You're supposed to do 4 rounds of that. So again, I'm going to just kind of emphasize that you need to go at your pace and you kind of figure out where you are. So if you're a beginner, I would recommend you probably start at 2 rounds for each exercise. If you're intermediate, 3 rounds. And then for my advanced folks who feel that they're ready to move on, we're gonna do 4 rounds. So let's get started. Here we go.
5 seconds. Recover for 10 seconds. Work for 30 seconds. Seconds. Recover for 10 seconds. Work for 30 seconds. Recover for 10 seconds.
Yes, now. Who am I just the girl them sugar? Alright. Yeah. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na.
5 seconds. Recover for 10 seconds. Work for 30 seconds. Recover for 10 seconds. For 30 seconds. Recover for 10 seconds.
All right, guys, thank you so much for working out with me. I really appreciate you guys being a patron. Again, don't forget to find your level of fitness. So if you are able to do 4 rounds, kudos to you. You know, that means you're getting up there, you're getting in shape. So that's what we want. We want that stamina to be up. If you're still working towards it, that's fine. That's what we're here for. That's what these videos are for, is for you to find your happy, healthy self. So with that being said, thank you guys for working out with me. See you on the next workout.